Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from Onedaysaving. So I have picked a few off the canvas items today, a couple of Christmas themed ones and one that's not so much, or at least I don't think it was. But we're going to start with this little Christmas one today. We do have a damaged little green boat. Oh, it's actually a thicker plastic than the normal green boats, but it has unfortunately suffered a little accident. But it's these that I'm interested in because I have trays that I use. These are little Christmas ornaments, so they're quite thin, so they'll be nice and lightweight for your tree. They are single-sided, but I thought they were just gorgeous. So we have a little snowman in a car, we have Santa, Father Christmas, etc, etc. Snowman in an aeroplane, Father Christmas on a scooter, a Christmas tree, Father Christmas in his sleigh with a snowman hiding behind. Then we have a snowman. We have two snowmen in a car with a tree on the top, a little gingerbread man, and Father Christmas riding another scooter. A little bit faster by the looks. So I thought these were little fun Christmas things to do. You do get the string to be able to attach them to your tree, and they do each have a hole in, ready for that. They are primarily using rhinestones, if not all using rhinestones. No, primarily using rhinestones. So we have quite a few of the clear / white, as you can imagine with his beard and the snowman. We have a few reds, oranges, pinks, a bit more orange, yellow, greens, turquoise, blue, brown, and like a hint of green or pale yellow. And that's in the standard rhinestone shape. So they will reflect quite nicely with tree lights. We also have some more green and some pink, and then we have some standard black. We also have some cute little petal shape diamonds. I'm trying to work out where they go. Oh, so we do have some on the tyres of this car. Do we have them anywhere else? Not that I can see straight off. And then we have some little pearls, which is number 17. We have those all on the bobbles of anybody that's wearing a Santa hat has a little pearl bobble. So say, I thought they would be quite fun as a little Christmas thing to do or activity to do over the holidays when you get that little bit of time. And then I also got these cards because they were a little bit different. They are still diamond painting, if I can get them out. They do have a fun little element to them. Let's get them out of the packaging. Pop the packaging over there because I am definitely fighting with that later. We do also have a little bit of damage to this green boat. This one's thinner, but you do get a toolkit. And then, how does this work now? So we have the Christmas card, but then we also have some little pop-in pieces, and we have some that we diamond paint. So let's see if I can figure this out without going on the website, but that doesn't mean I won't go on the website. Okay, so let's get into a card. So we have all sorts of little sticky pieces as well in here. Little pieces that you can use to stick down. But these cards do pop. And I'm trying to fold them without folding them wrong. But it does look like they're actually popping up as I fold them up. Here we go. It's just trying to say fold them without not getting the creases. So they all seem to follow the same sort of pattern as to how they fold, and it is detailed on these instructions. So I'm trying to get the bits to pop up. There we go. Once they've popped up, there we go. So we have a cute Merry Christmas card on the outside, and then we have this pop-up section, and you can use these, or I'm guessing also these little diamond painting bits to use the sticker bits to stick on to a card. So for example, you could stick the little penguin there with one of these tabs and cause him to pop up when you open up the card and set yourself a little scene. So you've got quite a bit of flexibility on how it would work. The diamond painting elements, so they do say to use these for the centre. So if you have a look, it does tell you how they pop open, and then it does show you to use, so you basically use one of these per card, and it tells you to use the small pieces on the small little pop-ups, and then the bigger pieces on the bigger pop-ups, because you do get one of those. That is 2 smaller squares, and then you get a big part in the middle. And then it says to put the diamond painting parts on this upper top section, and use the other elements that you get in it that are plain across the bottom. But we have a gorgeous gingerbread house. These are single-sided, and again they're quite lightweight, but they're beautiful. We have a Christmas tree. We have a Merry Christmas. So you could put that one, you could possibly trim a little bit of this down and pop it over the Merry Christmas, or you could have it saying Merry Christmas twice. We then have another one that says Merry Christmas with a cute little snowman, penguin and gingerbread man. Gingerbread man saying Merry Christmas, Father Christmas, snowman and a reindeer. We have a Happy New Year in a snow globe, and we have a Merry Christmas in a snow globe. So say you could use that and sort of just put it a little bit higher up, so it still says Merry Christmas, but then it will pop up, and that's what you'll see when you open it up. All your diamond parts on the top. So loads of scope for creativity, alongside, of course, diamond painting and popping the diamonds where it says. And these are, again, primarily rhinestones. Excuse me. We have loads of different colours. So silver and clear, reds, pinks, oranges, yellows, greens, blues, more oranges and browns. We've got some standard black, we've got pink and turquoise, we've got more green, and then we have some slightly bigger green, some slightly bigger round red ones, a few little pearls and a star as well. So I'm guessing the star goes on the Christmas tree, or at least that's my guesstimate. But I've not seen pop-up Christmas cards. I've seen quite a few Christmas cards, but not a pop-up one. So I thought that would be fun to have a look into. So I will pop a link to them down below. And then last, but by no means least, we have a tray. So we have a fully functional standard toolkit in this one. Come on camera, focus, I'm down here. No, are we going to focus? There we go. Playing silly so-and-sos. This one, yes, is a wooden tray. So if you like to have a tray with your cup of tea, or maybe your diamond painting bits and pieces on a little table next to you, you can have the option to make it pretty. So this is the design I chose for the base of the tray, and then you actually even get a screwdriver and the screws just to screw the two sides in, the two long sides and the two short side handles. Does it actually have a picture on here? It does. You get full instructions. So you can do the diamond painting while it's flat. Oh, this is even better. So you can protect your diamond painting as well. This is actually even better than what I thought. So can you see these grooves here? So there's two grooves on there. There's two grooves on here, and these will be on the opposite sides. You pop your diamond painting, let's turn it around. So you pop your diamond painting into the bottom groove, and then you actually pop this clear perspex, which does have a coating on it. So once you take the coating off, it's clear. You pop that into the second one as you're building your tray, which means you won't knock your diamonds off. So if you can see here, it tells you to place your diamonds. It tells you how to pour your diamonds, and then basically put your diamonds onto the corresponding number. So on your baseboard, number 1 will go on number 1, etc., all the way up to what looks like 19. Then you remove the protective film from the PVC transparent plate. You build your tray. So you build 3 sides first using the screws. Then you slide in your diamond painting into the bottom groove and slide the PVC piece of clear PVC into the next slide up, and then you pop on the last side, screw it in, and there you have a tray with a diamond painting underneath that you don't need to seal. It's not going to get damaged by popping on a cup of tea or anything else, because it's going to have this clear sheet over the top. Rather impressed with that. That's actually got a step that I didn't realise was in there. I just thought it looked pretty and you could seal it, but you don't need to. So we do get some nice chunky rhinestones in this one as well. There's a few different sizes. So we have some red, not in tiny, but in a medium. We have some pink in a bigger, 2 different sizes of orange, 2 different sizes of yellow. We've got some pale yellow, blue in a couple of sizes, paler colour, some purple, some black, and then some bigger black. And then in addition, there's your number 19, your big orange centre. We also have some green, some teardrops in orange. Oh, they're pretty silver ones. Look like those little buttons, they're iridescent, those, they're pretty. Then we have some blue, we have some purple, and we have some silver. So lots of different styles mixed in. A lot of the styles are in the middle, but there are still some further out as well to give you the nice pretty pattern that you need to do your base tray, and then assemble your tray ready to serve drinks, hold your diamond painting bits and pieces together, whatever it may be. So many different options. So I will pop links to each of these down below, the couple of Christmas themes and the tray, but don't forget to have a browse, because if you like the concept of the tray, there is more than likely, I'm pretty sure there are more different designs of trays available, so you can have a look and see which one you fancy. But thank you to Onedaysaving for sending me these to share with you all and figure out how they all work, and thank you to all of you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.